Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a feature from Google AI Gallery called Audio Scribe. So basically here, you can use an AI model to transcribe 30-second audio into text. And of course, this will work offline, completely local, and it is really fast. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to download the Google AI Gallery via Google Play Store. It is now accessible via this platform. It is actually the best option for anyone who wants to install an open source local AI model directly to their Android phone. So just download the app and then launch it. And after that, you can navigate to a menu called Audio Scribe. So this is actually still very new. And there are many models that are able to support this feature. So right now, according to the recommendation, I got Gemma 3N E2B IT, and apparently the model is not very big. It's also not small, but it's only 3.4 gigabyte, which is kind of decent. And this AI model is multimodal, so it is able to take audio input alongside with text and images. So it is quite a versatile model. Now, let me show you how you can download this model to your Android phone. Just click download, and okay, I got this message. It's actually not going to appear on every single phone, but given that the size of the model is 3.4 gigabytes and my phone only has 4 gigabytes of RAM, it's very close. So it is possible to use the model, although I probably have to close a lot of apps before using this model. But I'll proceed anyway because that's the only model that's available that's small enough for my phone. Okay, now it will open the sort of browser, and basically it might ask you to use a Hugging Face account. So it is very much necessary because the model is only available via this platform, and you have to create a free account and then give it some authorization to use your account, and it is going to be able to download the model directly into Google AI Gallery. Now, if you see this message, just click authorize. And there could be some other requests later, but usually it's going to ask you to just allow the AI to allow this app to access your Hugging Face account. And after that, the download process will start, and you just have to wait until it finishes, and later you can start using the model. So I'll skip forward and show you the next step. Okay, so the model has been downloaded, and I'm going to tap this button. Okay, I got this message. Basically, it is telling me that my phone doesn't have enough memory to run the model. It actually should be okay for just a few conversations, so I'll just proceed anyway and just wait for the model to be loaded into the system. So this process will take several seconds, up to maybe a minute, and I guess I'll just skip forward and show you the next step. Alright, so the model has been loaded. Now, to transcribe audio, you can tap this plus button, and then you can go with recording your audio clip or just pick the audio file from your phone. Now I'll select the first option, and I'll do a simple and quick recording. Okay, I'll just allow it. Okay, I'll do a quick recording. Hey, this is just me recording my own voice. Now let's send it. And I'm going to tell this AI that I want it to transcribe this audio. As simple as that. Send a message and just wait. Okay, the model is running on my CPU, and it's going to be very slow, but it should be able to transcribe this audio. Alright, it is still trying to transcribe my audio. Again, it is running on my CPU, that's why it's very slow. But if your phone can run the model via GPU, it should be a lot faster. But as you can see, I'm able to transcribe my own voice using a local AI model using my Android phone. And this is offline, and maybe the best part of using AI to do this task is that it can actually correct the mistake. It understands the conversation or the paragraph or the sentence that you are providing. So it's actually able to, correct some punctuation error or maybe some mistakes that you made when you're recording the audio. So that's another benefit of using this AI model to transcribe voice from your Android phone. And that's basically it. That's how you can use the Gemma model to transcribe audio into text. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.